I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy.
My people, I wanna do again. Welcome back, you know. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yes, my peeps. And today we are going to talk about what you want to talk about. We're going to talk about Vybz Kartel, performance and stage show. And we are going to watch him, how him perform and Bartley Center stage show. Yes, and we are going to have some ladies talking about Vybz Kartel and the show. They was at the show. Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. The Kartel, we are going to watch him. Him going good, you know. Yo, Mr. Since man come out. Since man come out of prison, man, I tear down every stage show. Round 1 to 1 to 1, back at 1. Yes, man. Gaza nation. Them blip on top again, my peep. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Yeah, your team, Nuffy. Yeah, man. And the whole team. Yes, my peeps. So big up on yourself. You go check out Vybz Kartel and him performance. And here where the people them have to say about Vybz Kartel. Boom. Yardman TV, News and Entertainment. Check him out.
Gucci Banton doing it for the culture, supporting Vybz Kartel here in Brooklyn tonight. Let's get it right.
Done! Mentor! Legend, that's me, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, for sure. Respect my father.
We have some running at the park, but fuck that.
Yes. One Buju Banton, my favorite DJ ever of all time. Him inspire me.
Scatter!
Yes, the boss.
You're not coming back to church?
Yes. Fully active. Mark Myrie. The boss. G this.
Adija Palmer. You don't know.
Yes.
This for the culture.
This for the
Greatness of the music.
Yes,
See?
yes,
Bigger than all of it. So watch out. Doing it from four corner, east, west, north, and south. Love it. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, thanks.
The king is a mother that I want to know. Prison life. Yeah, prison life. Look, 13 years of prison and come out as a general. Cut it up. Closer. Sing to me like the idea. Thank you. Oh, whoa. Allah. I confess with in the world. When you see me, when Shatagan's here, we don't empty them. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm telling you something real quick. I'm 20 years with a family. Oh, fuck,
Kartel, I'm so proud of him. Like, he shut Brooklyn down. I never seen a Bartley Center packed like that, like, ever. Like, he definitely shut Brooklyn down. Sold out event. Like, I'm so proud of Kartel. Like, I'm so happy for him. Like, this man did 13 years, came home catching every blessing, being humble. Like, I'm so proud of him. Like, I'm looking at all the videos on my For You page, and I'm just like in wow. Like, I'm so proud of Kartel. Like, it feels good being Jamaican.
Y'all, there were so many people in there. First of all, amazing show. There were so many people in there. The service was trash. But I have all the clips and videos. I will post them once I can, y'all. The show, listen to my voice. Gee.
It was so good.
Wait till I post the videos. It was too good. Second show, I can't guarantee that you're going to get what we just got. I'm sorry. That's just is what it is. Like, but what? It was too lit.
Too lit. Like, just know what
like, fairly pleased.
Please.
Vybz Kartel, come to the front of the line, my boss. You me come back. Then they want me, me come back with the formula of the whole of them speeches like, good morning to all my beautiful lady. Big up on your damn self, and you know, say me and no man, pan what? Internet, big up on yourself. People, Vybz Kartel, big up yourself, my boss. I gotta say something to you. You do a good job. Find you come out of prison. And the reason why I say you do a good job, I see you sell out the Bartley Center last night. Performance good. You bring out Russian spice. Good job. But I tell you the part where get me in your performance. You see the part when you bring out your mother and go down on your knee. Rascal. Sorry for my language, people. Jesus. Hey! Oi! People, Vybz Kartel, they need to hear the goat. Can you see that what you do? And bend down on your knee and say, my mother, me love her, my mother. She carried me for 9 months. She carried me for 9. Me buy her the house before me. Vybz Kartel, if you did that one girl, me kiss you. Transclad. Oi, my boss, and you are the goat. I don't want to hear no who are no king, who are a goat you be. I are the goat of dancehall right now. I can tell you something, when you come from prison, I don't know if you come and send the whole of them to prison. Because some of them won't even like hear about them again, I tell you. Because some of them will not hear about them. But people, fun and joke aside, watch your prayer do. He might do it. You don't have to give me credit. You don't know the Bartley Center, how big is a someone don't never go a basketball game, so I don't know what me actually say. But the people that will go a basketball game, when they go in an arena, you saw the arena that big? And if Vybz Kartel a sell out tea. How you chat say, man? Body your body out. And a bag you grab. You don't have to give me ratings. Me know everybody not gonna like him. Everybody have their favorite. But him a dancehall. And no can't groan, no can't deny. You know so much interview the man do. Breakfast Club. All of the... Yo, the man a do it. The man a do it. The man smart. The man is a smart businessman. And I tell you, if Mr. Vybz Kartel a pray, smart. The man buy a house in Jamaica for $100 million. And come to Florida, come buy a house in Florida. And live in Florida.
Yes, my people. We're there. And we're not going nowhere. Yeah, man. And as we're there and if you're there so far and you like it, you can like, subscribe. Tell me how you feel. Tell me what you think. You know about me. I'm not afraid. Yes. And I don't have to tell you things when we make it better, you know. Yeah, man. You had man TV, news and entertainment. I try where I try. Don't? Yeah, man. We're willing to try we do it. Try we do it. One day, it's gonna all get better. Yeah, man. We just have to sit down and keep it natural. Yard man style. Yes? So, pick up on yourself, my people. This so far, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Yeah, man. So, big up on yourself. I'm out. Catch up on another one. Yeah, man. Peace. Love. Overall. Boom.